Hello everyone, I am Alia Khan and you are watching Manka News, your school, your voice. On the occasion of Eid-e-Milad, a special assembly was conducted at Manka Public School. During the assembly, students were given information about the significance of Eid-e-Milad and life and teachings of Prophet Muhammad. The students were encouraged to understand and follow the values of peace, kindness, love, brotherhood and humanity. The occasion conveyed a meaningful message that love, peace and humanity can be built a more and better harmonious society. Through this special assembly, students gained a valuable insights into the message of peace, compassion and mutual respects. That's all for today. You are watching Manka News, your school, your voice. Thank you and have a wonderful day.